What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Phylly. Okay, well, we are all about social justice over here. All right, guys. I hope everyone's doing well and ready for Thanksgiving if you celebrate. I know I am. All right. So, Tim Norman, you guys remember I did a story. Well, I did an update, a short update about the money that was refunded to him for the fraudulent insurance policy that had been forfeited. Yes, yes, honey. The United States District Court has now finalized that. Okay, this was filed November the 1st. There you see it. Motion of the United States for a final order of forfeiture. Okay, now this is the final order. I told you guys, anytime there's new documents posted, I will come out and update you. Okay, some of you like that, and I appreciate all of the support that you have given me as we, hey, we covered it from the rooter to the tutor. Justice for Dre, and justice was finally served. It says, comes now the United States of America by and through its attorneys, Sailor A. Fleming. Y'all remember Sailor, okay? United States Attorney for the Eastern District of Missouri, and Stephen Casey. He's the Assistant U.S. District Attorney. It says, they moves this court to issue a final order of forfeiture in the above captioned case. Okay. It says on February 27th of 2023, the court entered a preliminary order of forfeiture pursuant to those titles right there. I'm not going to read all those numbers. And it says, ordering the forfeiture of any property, real or personal, constituting or derived from any proceeds traceable to murder for hire, conspiracy, and violation of the Title 18. All right. It says a cashier's check in the amount of $4,476.49 issued by Foresters Financial to James Norman. The preliminary order of forfeiture also included a money judgment against defendant in the amount of $15,000. Based upon the evidence presented at trial and the finding in the jury's special verdict, the United States has established that the defendant had an interest in the subject property and the requisite nexus exists between the subject property and the offenses of which the defendant has been convicted. Pursuant to Federal Rule, Criminal Procedure Rule, there you have it. You guys read those numbers. You can see it right there. It says the United States posted notice, and they did. We went over that, of the forfeiture on the official Internet Government Forfeiture site, which is www.forfeiture.gov. You guys check out this site for at least 30 days. That began March the 3rd of 2023, and it ended on April the 1st of 2023. Said published notice advised all third parties of their right to petition the court within 30 days of the publication date for a hearing to adjudicate the validity of the alleged legal interest in the subject property. The United States also sent direct written notice to the extent practicable to any person who reasonably appeared to be a potential claimant withstanding to contest the forfeiture in the ancillary proceeding. Number 6 is important. No third party has made any claim to or declared any interest in the subject property within the time permitted under the applicable statutes. No one wanted that blood money. No one wanted that blood money but James Timothy Norman. Okay, no one wanted it. It says, because no party has timely filed a petition claiming an interest in the subject property, the preliminary order should now be made final pursuant to Federal Rule of Criminal Procedure. Dre lost his life for that money. No one wanted it, and I don't blame him. Wherefore, pursuant to Rule 32.2 of the Federal Rules of Criminal Procedure, the United States moves this court for a final order of forfeiture, declaring the subject property as set forth in paragraph 1 above to be forfeited as to all parties vesting full right, title, and interest in the subject property in the United States, directing the subject property to be disposed of according to law and entering a money judgment against the defendant and in favor of the United States in the amount of $15,000. Pursuant to Rule 32.2B3 of the Federal Rules of Criminal Procedure, The United States also requests authority to conduct any discovery permitted by the federal rules of civil procedure in order to identify, locate, or dispose of any property subject to forfeiture under this order, including depositions, subpoenas, and requests for production. The United States submits herewith its proposed final order of forfeiture. And Sailor signed it. November the 1st, 2023. So that money, no one claimed that blood money. No one wanted that blood money. And I am so glad they did not want that blood money. They did the right thing. Those 4 that you see there were all played a part in Andre losing his life. With the young lady there who's now free, to me, she was one of the biggest parts. She lured him outside. But justice has been served. Thank you guys for watching. No one claimed that $4,000 refund check from Forrester's Insurance, which was the amount of premiums that Tim paid for that $450,000 fraudulent life insurance that he wanted so badly to cash in on once Dre's life was gone. Thank you guys for watching. Always rest in peace to Dre.